You must have observed that tasks remain in a particular status or with an assignee for a longer period of time. Did you know that bottlenecks can create delays up to 30% in projects? In this video, I am going to discuss about one of the Atlassian Marketplace plugin, which is from RVS Softek, and using this app, you can spot delays, you can create multiple types of reports, and you can also customize cycle time, lead time, and create reports. As a project manager, they can take decisions based on the historical data, and we have included important settings, use cases, and reports. Let us get started. If you want to understand everything about this report, you can go to Atlassian Marketplace page and search for this app, and you will see that this app is available free for 30 days, and you can click on try it free and install the app. Additionally, it is available for Jira Cloud as well as data center versions, and on this page all the features are mentioned. You can create Jira time and status reports, you can track lead time, cycle time, and there are other reports such as time with assignee, average time in status, as well as you can add dashboard gadgets. You have an option to create multiple time in status reports and charts. You can also add gadgets to understand trends analysis using time in status reports. It also has a feature to export to Power BI and other BI tools. And below this there are few links related with all the types of reports. So by clicking on this links, you can understand in detail about all the different types of reports. Now we will understand how to access this app and what are the settings. So once you have installed this app, you can click on this apps drop down, and you will see this TIS time reports. You can click over here and you can see this type of time reports page. So this on this screen you have various options for selecting the reports using this drop down. So first report is time in status. There are status reports, and below that you have other assignee related reports. There are also combination reports, and there are many other transition reports. So overall there are more than 20 different types of reports using which you can analyze and you can track project and take decisions. In addition to that, you also need to select a project. So if you want to create a time in status report, we will select one project, and you have to select a sprint if required, or you can create a report for the project also. So right now we are selecting one sprint in this project. You have the option to further filter this data using issue types, status, and there are many other things available on this report. Additionally, you can group by other fields, and you have the option to add summary, and you can also add some criteria, status based criteria, using which you can apply some specific conditions. They have provided a table format, as well as there are other views charts are available, such as pie chart, bar chart, etc. In addition to that, you can also add or remove fields which you want to see on this table. So for example, I want to add approvers, so I can select approvers and then I can save it. Similarly, if I want to add any statuses, for example, I want to add in review, so I can add that and I can save it. So by doing that, I can view those statuses or fields on this table format. Now we have created one simple report based on one particular project, and we have filtered it for a particular sprint, and it creates a report, timing status report, and we can see that it will provide you how much time has been spent on each and every issue. So this is a very basic report, and now we will discuss about few more reports. So once you create this type of timing status report, you can also save it. You can click on save, provide the name, and then you can save it. We have created few reports over here. So if you want to access those saved reports, you can click on more and then go to saved reports. So we have created this reports. So first report, timing status report, we have already discussed. Now we will discuss about status count report. So if you want to open this, which was saved earlier, you can open this report, and this is the status count report, which is useful for in case you want to understand that how many times any particular issue has moved to particular status. So it has moved to do in progress for once, and if you can observe this, it has moved to in progress and in review status back and forth multiple times. So this needs to be analyzed, and suppose there is some problem related with documentation, project manager can take action to modify that. They can suggest to modify the documentation so that this cannot happen. The next report we can understand about is with assignee. So this is another use case in this report. It will provide you the information if any particular assignee is working on an issue for very long time, so then whatever it is required, so that you can understand that okay, is there any issue related with why it is taking longer than the required time. So you have to select time with assignee report here, and all the other things you can also set it. You can make this as basic. Since this is the saved report, that is why it was showing like that. Now you can add more filters using this criteria. Now let us move to the next use case, that is median value. So in this plugin, you can create reports to calculate sum, to calculate median values, or you can also calculate the percentile values. So to do that, the report remains same, timing status, and we have selected to group by issue types and priority, and we have selected the display unit as median, but you have the option to select sum and percentile values also. So now this displays the median value, which describes which gives better idea than average value. Then the next use case in this is about we have done median value, and okay, now this one is also very important, that is timing field. So you can create a report based on a particular field. So for that, what you have to do is you have to select this report time in field, and then select a particular field, so that it will generate a report how much time has been spent by an issue. So suppose I have selected team, so here it will provide you the information how much time has been spent by a team on this particular issue. So using this you can understand about the team performance. But it's not that it is limited to team field. You can select other fields also. So you have other options. You can just check. You can do it for priority. You can do it for status, and there are other many more fields available. Then next use case is, again it is interesting use case. You can define lead time and cycle time in the system. Likewise, you can define by grouping the statuses. So how to do that? You can go to apps, and you can go to manage your apps, and in that you can have the option to, under this time in status reports, you have this grouped status option. So you can go to grouped status option. Here you can define multiple status. You can select multiple statuses to define lead time, cycle time, or if you want to define any particular time, so you can create a new grouped status. So you have to select multiple statuses from this and provide a name. So we have already defined this lead time and cycle time, and we will go back and understand about how it is useful. So we have created a report in table format, and we are able to display it on this table. So to do that, what we have done is, in this statuses drop down, we have selected lead time and cycle time, and we have saved it. That is why we are able to view it. Now you can observe that here lead time is much more than cycle time, and as per our definition, this includes to-do status. So we can conclude that the issues have remained, issues were in the to-do status for more number of days. So this way project managers can understand about the trends, and you can also create pie charts for lead time, cycle time, and you can also create other reports, and you can also add those things to dashboard. Overall, it is a feature-rich app. It has wonderful dashboard gadget, and the interface is user-friendly so that anyone can navigate and create reports very easily. Install this app from Marketplace to explore all the features. Thank you for watching this video.